Coming in with the vibe from 20,000 leagues below.
And yes, this one extremely down.
So, was this what I was planning? Not really. Was not planning to bring these back, but here they are. Was actually supposed to do something else besides bring the Cyber Edge back as well. I was actually gonna maybe do like a center Cyber Edge, but I totally fucking forgot. So yeah, I just brought this back just for fun. I'm gonna see how this hair goes. I definitely made some mistakes, as you guys kind of saw. Maybe I'll let this grow out and kind of do something else. But we're gonna take a break from hair for just a minute so that future me can tell you about the sponsor of today's video, Function of Beauty. So a big thank you goes to Function of Beauty for continuing to support my channel and sponsoring this hair transformation. As someone who loves hair and all of the things that you can do with it, it's really cool to be able to partner with people who are just as passionate, especially when it comes to how we take care of our hair and the quality of ingredients that we're using. Function of Beauty never uses parabens, sulfates, GMOs, toxins, and they're always 100% vegan and cruelty-free. You can also choose to make your products free from dyes, fragrances, and silicones if you prefer. Function of Beauty knows that hair care is never a one-size-fits-all situation, so that's why their entire line is 100% customizable and designed to fit your needs. Fill out a short quiz about your hair profile, up to 5 goals you have, and then match it to your aesthetic by choosing the scent, colors, and the name printed on the bottles. Plus, every order comes with stickers, so you can personalize the bottles even more. My favorite part is picking the goals and the scent, since in the past I often had to sacrifice one for the other. Or I would buy multiple bottles of shampoo and conditioner so that whenever I dyed, cut, bleached my hair like I'm doing in this video, then I could pick one that would fit. But now, instead, I just have one set that keeps on working no matter the state that my hair is in, even if it's not my own hair. However, if your goals change, or maybe they come out with a new scent that you want to try, then you're not locked into anything and you can update your quiz whenever. I've been using Function of Beauty exclusively for almost a year now, and I love that it keeps my real hair feeling soft and healthy, and it keeps my wig feeling like my real hair. So if you haven't already, go check out my link below and get 20% off your first order. And without further ado, let's get back to doing some hair.